Including stylet oil in your crop management rotation is an environmentally safe and effective way to protect your grapes against mite infestation. So be sure to visit www.styletoil.com today.
Hello, this is Dan Malcolm with American Vineyard Magazine, and I'm reporting to you from the annual meeting of the Raisin Bargaining Association here in Fresno, California. Today we heard Glen Goto express the importance of maintaining balance between supply and demand in the raisin industry.
Whatever you produce, you've got to price it correctly so you don't carry it over the following year and have to look at that inventory when you're bringing in a new crop. That is the key to maintaining a supply balance. If you look at the 2013 crop, we ended up at a $16.50 price, but the crop is being delivered at a clip that we will most likely meet 350,000 tons of deliveries. And at that pace, if we do meet 350,000 tons of deliveries, we've got a farm gate value of $575 million, which is, like Michael said, actually going up from the last year's price of $1,900 just based on the supply and the production that we've got going into this coming year.
As disappointed as we may have been that the price had to adjust based on the supply that we produced this past year, we're very pleased that based on a crop estimate of about 350,000 tons, the $1,650 Raisin Bargaining Association field price is going to yield over $575 million in farm gate value to the industry. We're very pleased about that. The other thing we have to consider is the fact that if we're going to stay on a 100% basis and continue to not deal with reserves in the industry, that we have to be cognizant of the fact that supply and demand will dictate to us what the price can be that is achievable on an annual basis. And so we're going to have to be flexible, knowing on a short year we can take the price up, and on a long year we may have to make some adjustments. So that's another mindset that the industry's just got to get used to, and hopefully this is part of the education process, is the fact that even though we did have a price adjustment, the industry in general is doing as well, if not better, than it was last year.
As Glen explained, raisin prices are going to fluctuate from year to year, but with organizations like the Raisin Bargaining Association fighting to make sure growers get what they need, the raisin industry will be healthy for California growers for many years to come. This is Dan Malcolm reporting to you from CaliforniaAgNet.com.